A warm welcome to all my dear students. We are here to discuss the next chapter of GK, that is chapter number 2, mammals. Let us see what are mammals. This mammal word is derived from a Latin word that is mamma. Meaning of mamma is breast, in which mammary glands are present, जिसमें से मिल्क का सिक्रेशन होता है which will feed the child in early stage. Now let's see the characteristics of mammals. These are the characteristics. First, presence of mammary gland from which milk is secreted. Then a neocortex, that is a part of brain. Then fur or hair present on their body. Then 3 middle ear bones, and then they are warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals मतलब they possess or maintain constant body temperature. Remember this properly. These are very important characteristics for 9th standard. Most of the mammals uses their 4 legs for the terrestrial locomotion. Locomotion का मतलब होता है चलना, movement. But in some mammals, they are also adapted for life at sea. मतलब sea में वो लोग जिंदा रहते हैं. और in the air, in the trees. Some mammals are also found in underground, and some are also found which are using their 2 legs for the locomotion. For example, humans. We use its 2 legs for the locomotion. Then size also varies in the mammals. The smallest size mammal that ranges in between 30 to 40 millimeter. For example, bumblebee, bat. And the largest mammal is about 30 meters long, about 98 feet, that is blue whale. It is also heaviest, around 190 tons the weight of blue whale is. Now we will see how mammals are born. There are 2 types of mammals. One that is laying eggs and another that is giving birth to their young ones. For example, duck-billed platypus and 4 species of Echidna. These are the eggs-laying mammals. These eggs-laying mammals are very rarely found nowadays. Then the mammals which are giving birth to their young ones are known as placental mammals. For example, all the mammals except monotremes, which are eggs-laying mammals. Now, what do you mean by placenta? वो आप देख लो. It is a structure that provides oxygen and nutrients to developing fetus, that is baby, inside the mother's womb. समझ में आई definition? Again I am repeating, a structure that provides oxygen and nutrients to developing fetus inside mother's womb is called placenta. Many of the mammals have gone extinct due to the human activities or global warming. For example, the bramble K. mallomis. It is a mammal that has gone extinct. You can see the diagram or image of the mammal. That is one of the rat. It is found only on Australia's Great Barrier Reef. Has been declared the first mammal that went extinct in June 2016 due to global warming. Remember this as a part of general knowledge. The other mammals that have gone extinct due to the human activities, including deforestation and excessive hunting, are West African black rhinoceros, then Kaga, then Pyrenean ibex, then Tasmanian tiger and Javan tiger. Now let's discuss few mammals. The first is this. It sleeps 18 hours a day. It stays on the same tree for days. Can you guess which that mammal is? That is koala bear. That is first. That is given in your textbook. Then second is it produces a special reddish oil from its modified sweat gland. This oil acts like a sunscreen and protects it from getting sunburned. So that mammal is hippopotamus. Then next is the animal whose horns are made up of compact hair. So that mammal is rhinoceros. Then the mammal that is one of the 2 mammals that are born from eggs. So here answer is platypus, that is option number A. Then next mammal is the only mammal that can fly. So here answer is bat, option number G. Then it is the mammal whose main diet is bamboo. So here answer is panda, that is option number E. समझ में आ रहा है ना बच्चों? अच्छे से पेंसिल से लिखना सारे के सारे आंसर्स गिवन ब्लैंक में. Then the mammal that hold hands while sleeping so that they don't drift away from each other. They have the thickest fur of all the animals. The answer is sea otter. That is option number, which option is that? B. Yes. Then a herbivorous marine mammal on the earth that is also known as sea cow. याद रखना है कीवर्ड sea cow, that is manatee, option number C. And last is this mammal has the longest lifespan. It can live for 100 years or more. The answer is bowhead whale, that is option number D. Here help box is also there along with the answers, so you can also refer if you have any query. Now let's see some quiz. The first the question is name the animals, and you can also use the help box. The first is the smallest mammal that we discussed earlier, that is bumblebee bat. Then second one is a mammal without teeth. Remember this we have not discussed earlier, but एक ही मैमल है जिसमें दांत नहीं होंगे, that is ant eater. Ant eater मतलब generally they eat ant, that is why they are named so. Then third one is a mammal without external ears, that is echidna. Remember this very properly. This is one of the mammal that is produced from the eggs, or in simple words we can say that they are egg laying mammals. So remember this. And one another fact is that they do not possess external ears. Remember this properly. With this we end our session. We'll meet with the new chapter next time. So till then, stay healthy and keep learning. Thank you.